Hi guys, Paul O'Keefe here. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of an amazing bonus that I've put together for the email marketers game plan. Now we've been doing some free webinars every week, myself and Richard. We're basically basing them on traffic now. One of the biggest things that people have been asking us about was about list building, obviously with us doing our Listify product and our Funnels Kit product, and also about email marketing itself. So we decided to do every Wednesday, we're doing free webinars now, and anyone can jump onto those, so just look out for the links that I send for that. But what I've done here, this was something I paid for. It cost me over $500. I paid for this earlier in the year. I had this email marketing mastery membership site put together. It's something I was going to sell for a lot more money further down the line, and we're going to add more to this. But as at today, I just looked at it, at what we've got in here, and we've actually got 67 videos inside this membership site, and they're all relating to list building, how to do your email marketing the best way. As you can see here, these are the different modules that we've got. Obviously, why you need a list. You can see here, there's 10 videos in that section, another 5 there. We've got another 6 in the email marketing profit section. Then we've got the how-to on email marketing videos. There's lots in there. The list secret stuff, some great things in there. Some top 5 email marketing mistakes to avoid and things such as that. And then we've got the list building how-to video as well. I mean, this membership site is going to be padded out even more. It was something that I built probably about 8 months ago, and it kind of got put on the back burner because I was going to launch it, and we were going to sell it for at least $37 a month. But what I'm going to do, because this product of Rob and Kennedy's is so great, I've put this together with another 10 or 12 bonuses. So I just wanted to quickly go through the bonuses and show you what we've got for the email marketers game plan, because I don't think anyone's going to have any bonuses like what we've got for this one. So as I said there, that was the email marketing mastery course that it's been sat there. Nobody's actually had access to this yet. Nobody at all. It's the first time I'm actually releasing this. I'm giving it away as a bonus before we actually sell it. Then we've got our email master resellers package, our email surge SaaS platform, our email domination SaaS. Then we've got 37 list building quick tips that we've put together. Build your audience. So as you can see, all of these bonuses that we've got here, the next one is build your list, how to build a relationship with your list, email marketing A to Z, email marketing profits, and the lead acquisition 101. Plus there's a special couple of bonuses that the guys at Rob and Kennedy have agreed to throw in, because this is a huge book, and the book is amazing. I'll show you that in a minute, the actual product itself. But the book is about 122 pages, I think, and it's copy and paste for 12 of the best campaigns that they've been running over quite some time, and they've made a lot of money from it. They're both very good at doing email marketing, and have kind of panned out like a year for anybody to just follow through this book. And the book is actually amazing because it's all copy and paste, and obviously you have to change it just a couple of little bits in each thing. It's not totally 100% done for you, but you've got like 90% done for you stuff within the book. But the great thing is, one of the bonuses they've added is actually a video walkthrough for every campaign. So the people who bought this book before, who were part of their high-ticket customers and their other customers, they never actually got the video walkthrough. They just got the book, which taught them how to do everything. So that's another bonus that they've thrown in. And it's also given away the fill-in-the-blanks email promotional calendar, so you can actually map out what you're going to do. And this is another really great asset to have. So what I've got here, this is just showing you inside the 2 bonuses that you get. So you get the downloadable promotional calendar, and then they've literally done a video for each part of each of the campaigns that are within the book, and they're not just like 2-minute videos that they've put together here. I mean, some of these were 40 minutes long. Some are, you can see there, that's 25 minutes long, and they really go into depth with this. It's just a superb bonus that they've actually added to the main book itself, which is the front end. There's a couple of upsells in there as well if you come into the products part here. And you also get to join their Facebook discussion group, which will be great because there'll be a lot of great people in there who are all very interested in email marketing. As you can see here, there's the email marketing rescue mission, which is one of the upsells. And then obviously you've got this one here down the bottom, which is a bit more expensive. It's the second upsell, which is the Elevate, which is their real high ticket type of one-on-one training to elevate your email marketing to another level. But what I'm saying is, for now, just getting the front end, these front two are fantastic product. But what I've put into this bonus package this week is probably the most valuable and the most congruent of anything I've done this year. So anyone that's interested in building a list or succeeding from email marketing, you're going to have everything at your arsenal to actually do this and move forward. Over the past 3 years, my main income has come through affiliate marketing, but that has been through email marketing and building my list. So that's how my main income has actually been generated over the past 3 to 4 years. So I highly recommend this product. It's great. I've been through the book. It's superb. I'm going to be using this myself. So that is one of the reasons I usually only promote the products that I totally believe in and that I use myself. And this is another one where that's the case. I'm going to be using this personally in my own business. So yeah, just please check it out. It doesn't launch until Wednesday the 6th. And I'll make sure when I send the email out that you've got the exact date of what it is, and this video I'm making now is going to go out the day before, so people can have a look at it and see what's going to be coming, but it won't actually be launching until the 6th of November. So if you get to this video before then, you're going to need to come back around, I think it's 9, 10 or 11 a.m. on the 6th of November when the product will actually launch. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and I really do recommend you check out the Email Marketer's Game Plan. Cheers, guys.